The second research tool that I recommend you use when deciding what videos to make and what keywords to target is VidiQ. So go online and type in vidiq.com and download the browser extension. Once you have it, click on the blue button and select Keyword Inspector. Just like I said before, these apps have tons of features, but the only one that we care about is Keyword Research. You can type in a video idea you are thinking about making. For me, I am thinking about creating a video that teaches people how to get sponsorship deals. So I will type in how to get sponsorship deals into the search bar. Since we are using the basic free plan, VidiQ only gives you information on your keyword and 3 related keywords. You may be thinking, June, why are we even using VidiQ? Won't TubeBuddy do the job? TubeBuddy's strength is giving you keyword metrics based on your specific channel. However, it doesn't give you a lot of related keywords to help you brainstorm video ideas. This is where VidiQ comes in. VidiQ gives you metrics for the keywords that you typed in along with a list of related keywords, showing you instantly the kinds of words people are searching for and its competition. However, to take advantage of VidiQ's strength, you do need to upgrade to their Pro plan to unlock that feature. I'll go into one of my accounts that has this feature unlocked so that you can see how I research keywords using VidiQ's tool. Now that I'm in my account, let's just type in the example, how to get sponsorship deals. Even though the video I am thinking about making is about Instagram sponsorship deals, I like to start with something general to see what's available and then narrow down. You can also consider sorting this related keywords list by search volume because we only want to make videos that have high search volume with low competition. Doing keyword research using VidiQ is pretty straightforward. As you look at each of the related keywords, you compare the search volume with the amount of competition it has. The keyword we put in has no search volume, but we can see that even though we didn't specify what kind of sponsorship deals we want to target for, VidiQ is telling us that there's a lot of search volume for how to make money on YouTube and how to make money on Instagram. This could be a video idea for you. Instead of titling the video how to get sponsorship deals on Instagram, you can consider titling it how to make money on Instagram, and then talk about sponsorship deals as one of the ways to make money. You see how this works? I know I have been repeating this a lot lately, but you always want to make videos that people are searching for. If not, you will be wasting your time answering a question that no one is asking. When we scroll down, you can see a related keyword, how to get a sponsorship. You can click on it and VidiQ will give you related keywords based on that term. This can be another reminder on how to title your videos. If you think about it, how to get sponsorship deals and how to get a sponsorship are the same thing, just different wording. And you saw firsthand how a difference of wording can mean the difference between no searches per month or 2,766 searches per month. If we type in how to get a sponsorship with Instagram, it also has 0 search volume this month. But if you scroll down, you will find how to get sponsored on Instagram with 2,500 searches and how to get sponsorship on Instagram with 1,700 searches, further proving that a word change can make a world of difference. As you go through the list, please keep in mind that the score that VidiQ gives you is a general estimation. It's not specifically applying to your channel. That's why I like to do my research with VidiQ first to get an idea of the kinds of keywords I want to target, and then go on TubeBuddy to see how those keywords apply to my channel. Both apps have their own strengths and weaknesses, but by using them together, you can make sure you cover everything without missing any blind spots. They are also quite affordable. The Pro plan for each is around $10 per month, and if you search for a coupon code, you can get a discount as well. So my advice is to download these 2 apps and try the free version first. See how you like it and then try the Pro version and see what you think. Once again, I am not currently an affiliate for either one. I just found them very useful, and the fact that they are the 2 most popular tools specifically for YouTube searches, they make for a great tool to use. Just don't spend hours looking through and using all of their features. We only care about keyword research right now. Speaking of which, what do you do once you find a keyword phrase that you want to target? what's next? Let's move on to the next episode, and I'll help you create your video execution plan.